Testing. I don't know. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. So frustrating. Stupid internet. I think we're back. I don't know. We're definitely having issues with our internet right now. We're back for now. Man, this is a wild day so far. Look at this rip higher now. Man, this is crazy. Crazy rip higher. V-shaped reversal off the 400s. Now we're 100 points higher. Oh, man. My gerbils need... Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what it is. I was doing some speed tests. My internet was very shaky. But look at it go. Wow, what a crazy rip. Do I take a short here? I mean, that's kind of wild to take a short here. Not really interested. Don't really want to do it. It's one of those V-shaped reversal moves. Just straight back up. Insanity. I'm not sure I can bring myself to short this. Look at that. It's insane. 520s up to the 530. I mean, we just had a perfect double bounce. Pretty much double bottom from the overnight lows. I was so busy trying to figure out my internet. I was on the phone and testing my internet and everything that I might have taken this on my Top Step accounts if I would have not been distracted with my stupid internet. Man, I hate that. Yeah, I see this kind of price action. I just despise it. I do not like it one bit. I don't like one bit. But man, that's a crazy rip higher. Crazy rip higher. And we're just gonna keep going. All right, now getting, I don't know. I'm not taking it. I'm not trading this. I'm not gonna do it. I am not gonna do it. Hey, good morning, Timbo. Welcome back, guys. I think we're back. I was retesting the internet and I tested it. I tested it again right before I went live. It seemed to be better. But I don't know. I don't know what to expect. Man. I mean, if I take a trade here, it would have to be on one micro only. Oh, do we take it? I just got done saying I won't do it, but feel like we could do it if we get triggered. But man, it's just so bullish. It's so bullish right now. I don't think it's smart. It's tempting me, but I just don't think it's a good idea. Market heard you about not taking this trade. It will go down now. Yeah, it probably will. Just locked in my 10 PAKs with $120 copy trading all of them. Let's go, Gutenberg. Let's go. I love to see it. I love to see it. I mean, look at this thing. I mean, that is insane. Oh, I wish I would have gone. Don't even do this, guys. I'm just looking at silver. I'm just taking a look at it, okay? I'm not going to snort it. I promise. I promise I won't take a hit. I just want to look at it. Look at the daily chart on silver. Like, look at this thing. It looks like a meme stock. It's insanity. Like, what are we even doing up here, the 63s? What are we even doing? I promise I won't take a hit. No way. Nope. Unbelievable. This is insanity. I feel like I'm not going to get a trade now. I don't even want. Just one tiny little bump. Just kidding. Don't do that, guys. Don't do it. Your brothers have been long silver? Wow. I guess I was technically long silver because I bought like actual silver, 99.99% silver, like 15 years ago. I got a lot of it. But I've told my wife yesterday, I'm like, honey, we need to sell our silver. It's time. It is time. Oh, don't do it. Don't tempt me, Design Knob. Don't tempt me, man. Man, I'm disappointed that I didn't at least take some. Oh, by the way, guys, hang on. Let me show you a nice. Look at this. The pool fund is halfway funded, folks. I mean, we are on a heater with Top Step. Look at these payouts. I mean, we got a payout on 11/25, and then 12/3, and now 12/10. If we keep this up, we're going to be millionaires by the end of next year. Let's go. Pool, we met. I actually met with the pool. We actually met with the people that are going to be putting the pool in. We met with them yesterday and the day before. Picked out the size, the shit, you know, all the good stuff. And man, this would have been the move to go 15 cons long. Just whoop. But knowing me, it's not that easy. I probably would have gone long here and then added here and added here. And then right here is where I would have been liquidated. That's the reality of how it would have happened. I would have gone long 5 minis here, added 5 here, added 5 more here, and I would have gotten liquidated at the 393s. Feels bad. Now that would feel bad. That was almost your. Anyone facing issues with Project X? I haven't traded late I traded earlier this morning. I'm good. I didn't have any issues. Man, are we gonna reject off the VWAP here? Are we going to reject off the VWAP here? Ooh. I heard your earlier stream that you're a 84 baby. 83, Abraham, 83. Oh, really? Your birthday just passed? Let's go. Am I 43 or 42? No, I'm 42, right? My birth year is 83, which, yeah, math is hard, but I think that makes me 42. At least I hope so, unless I lost a year somewhere. Maybe I lost a year somewhere and I just didn't even find out. Yeah, Carabomb, I will. Yeah, once you pass 30, you stop counting, 100%. So I will trade my live account on, if I do get that far, I probably will. But honestly, I mean, I do trade differently. Obviously, I trade a little bit more aggressively, but the day after I get a payout on Top Step, I have started locking myself to only trading micros. Honestly, that's really helped because in the past, I would get one payout and blow the account the next day. So it definitely has helped me not turn into a degenerate the day after a payout. So I'm only trading micros today, basically just looking for a small, $150, $200 day, and then I'll lock out. But we got to decide, though. I think I've officially decided. I think it's going to depend how I trade from now until next Thursday. But next Thursday is CPI. How many micros do I trade on Top Step? 5. 5 is my max. I trade 5 micros is my max the day after payout. But I think I'm still not 100% sure. Yeah, I'm still not sure. Like, I still go back and forth and like, am I just being an idiot? Am I just being an idiot if I YOLO CPI? I feel like part of me, I'm like, that is kind of dumb. Because I could get another payout. Like, I could technically get 2 more. It would make more sense to do that in between my 4th and 5th payout. That would make more sense. If I can get my 4th payout, maybe then I do it. I don't know. I'm really conflicted. I'm locking out of my funded accounts today. 2 trades made up my big loss from yesterday. Let's go, Black Coffee. That's awesome. That's awesome. Do you know what percentage of your audience are consistently profitable traders? If not, mine to create up one would be interesting. Andreas, I have no idea. Again, I say this a lot. I mean, maybe I don't say this enough, but I am sharing my trading journey. Chat, everybody in chat is on their own journey. Don't compare yourself to other people. I really hate when people do that. I hate when I do that. Just focus on your own journey. Don't just don't rush things just because of what you see other people do. That's partially also why I prefer to stream and show the slow and steady approach versus the YOLOing kind of, versus higher I know I could probably get way more views if I would stream my DGen accounts where I'm going bigger size. I know, but I don't know. I don't like showing. I know it's part of it, but I prefer to show the slow and consistent approach, and because I do think that is going to serve most people better. Yes, exactly, Tanush. I think, honestly, 90% of you that are here in chat, 90% of you are just here just to hang out, interact with each other. We're here for a good time. We're not here, or I hope you're not here and thinking that I'm going to teach you how to trade. If you see something that you can take away and can improve your own trading, that's awesome, but you really shouldn't be, that shouldn't be the main goal, I think. I think if you look to influencers and people on social media, if you look to them to teach you how to trade and everything, I think you're going to be disappointed. Do your own thing and then just share it with the community. That's the fun. That's what I love. Yeah, this bounce is insane. I'm going to request my first Lucid payout today. Let's go, Tanush. Let's go. I love it. I love it. You're going to be shocked, Tanush. You're going to be shocked, Tanush, how fast it is. Like, well, I guess the first time you have to set up your bank account information or Market Watch, whatever you use. But once that's set up, Lucid payouts are insane. I mean, it's literally, your funds are sent within 5 minutes. What is going on, market? This is actually the kind of market that will put me on tilt. And I'm just so thankful that I didn't get there was no entry triggered. Look at this insanity. Look at this V shape. Look at that V shape reversal. And almost no pullback whatsoever. Like, I don't get these kind of markets. I really don't. Like, this is where I just can't reason. I don't know. I don't even know. I don't know. I have no words for this kind of market. Ugh. I mean, that is a crazy V-shaped reversal. 220 points. Just straight up. Not for comparing myself. I already got my own system journey, not far. Okay, yeah. No, Andres, I didn't mean it towards you. Hey, I love it, Andres. Thank you. Thanks for being here. I appreciate it. The main thing that I think it's important if you're, again, it's just my 2 cents, just my opinion. Each person's going to do their own thing, but I do think it's important that you show at least, I think it's important to realize expenses versus payouts. There is a correlation. People are not, I shouldn't say, there's very few people that are getting 6-figure payouts with not 15, 20 plus thousand in expenses. And if you only see the payouts, a lot of times people think, they might have 2,000 in expenses and they think that they're they think they're doing terrible, when in reality, it's really not. Like, if you're comparing expenses versus payouts, I think it's just important to know that there is a difference. There is a direct correlation between very few have like 5,000 expenses and like 300, 400,000 in payouts. I mean, I bet that is less than like 0.01% of people trading prop firms. I'm just here for the plane rides. Here for the plane rides and the internet outages. It's great. It's a good time. All right, market, what are we doing? I mean, I feel like now we could possibly get a long setup, right? I guess we stick around. By the way, I'm seriously debating about tomorrow. I went back just for fun and I double checked like my birthday streams, and trading on my birthday is not a good idea, I feel like. Yeah, almighty. I don't know. I have no idea. I'm sure there's been, you know, I don't know. But I'm actually thinking about not trading tomorrow. Like, I'm seriously thinking about tomorrow at 6 o'clock, as soon as I can, tomorrow evening, or tonight, actually. It would be tonight. Take a guess. I have no idea, almighty. I don't know. I have no idea. But I'm thinking about, as soon as I can, log into QuantGuard and lock myself out for tomorrow and just not trade my birthday. I've traded my birthday in the past, and every single time it's been a red day, and just haven't. It just kind of ruins the day in a way. I don't know. Hey, it's a not. Thanks for the $20 through the super chat. Thank you. It's anonymous. Thank you. It's anonymous. LOL. Thank you. Thank you. I do appreciate it. You don't have to do that, but thank you. Thank you. All right, market. We are starting to maybe put a little bit of a pause on this just straight up move. This insane market. Actually insane. I'm having serious missing out FOMO. I'm having serious FOMO on this from this move higher. Oh, totally missed my chance on the top step accounts. Totally should have taken that. Oh well, oh well, oh well, oh well. Now we just got to make sure we don't chase it. Yeah, NQ is a beast. And let's just take another peek. I promise I'm not doing anything. I'm just going to take a slight little peek at silver. Oh, snap. I mean, does that look like a 21? Actually, that's a 1 minute 21 EMA. I mean, do you guys see this setup? We had a pullback to the 5 minute 21 entry right here. We would have made about $5 million if we would have traded this silver. That's how insane that silver is. I actually can't believe silver is that crazy. Like, 1 micro is $5 per tick. 1 micro moves the same amount as 1 mini NQ, which means you could trade 150 contracts of the micros. Can you imagine? 150 micros at $5 a tick is what? Let's just do some calculations here. That's $750 per tick. Actually insane. I mean, that is actually insanity. Oh my goodness. You couldn't even, like, it's insane. It's actually wrong. There's something seriously wrong with trading silver. If you trade silver, go get yourself checked out in the head. Because I did. Because I still can't believe, I still can't believe I should have been streaming, because the look on my face was complete, utter shock and horror when I went in with 2 micros, and it was terrible timing on my entry. Like silver, it just literally, I enter with 2 micros and it just wicked lower like crazy. And I thought, you know, I didn't even look at my P&L right away. I was like, and all of a sudden I look at my P&L, I'm like, oh, I was down over $800. I thought I would maybe be down 100. And I freaked out. I thought I'd accidentally traded minis. And I started freaking out, like actually freaking out. And oof, do I take this? Yeah, I better. I'm going to take 1 micro if we get the setup. Hello? Sometimes it doesn't place the order for some reason. Okay, are we going to get triggered here? Oh, snap. It triggered me. Don't give me a fake. Don't fake me out. Uh-oh, it's doing the fake out. It's doing the fake out. Yikes. We might get cooked on this one. I hate when it does that. I hate it. Yeah, this is going to be one of those where we literally get... How did I even get filled? I don't even know. And we're going to get stopped. Wow. Excuse me. Sorry, market. Excuse me. I must have offended you. Yeah, that's a yikes. I mean, it is what it is. It seems like my trade, like my setups will have some of those. It's like a trap. And my entry, how did I even get filled? Jeez. Look at this. Like, look at my entry here. Like, how did I even get filled? That is insane. Excuse me, market. I'm sorry I offended you at going long right there. Jeez. Take a chill pill. You know what? If I get stopped out, that's kind of how I prefer to get stopped out. Don't tease me. just rip it lower and stop me out right away. It's almost how I would prefer to be. It's almost how I prefer max punishment. Design knob. How many mini silvers am I in right now? Zero. I ain't messing with that anymore. I ain't doing it again until I need to. But silver is definitely one of those. I know at some point I'm going to do it. I'm probably going to go on tilt, and then I'm going to trade silver, and I'm going to blow the account. Just watch. I'm going to do it. I got filled on the spread, I guess. I don't know. I don't know, man. All right. Are we? Imagine we go right back down. There it goes. Ripping it lower. Okay, I'm starting to not like this market. Maybe we just let it do its thing today. Yeah. I mean, I don't hate that entry. I don't hate that trade setup. I think everything was good. It was just one of them days or one of them things. Are there currently any discounts with Funded Next? Not that I'm aware of. I don't know. I am no longer an affiliate with Funded Next. I'm about to lose my pool money. Nope, we're good. Yeah, the NASDAQ was offended that I took a peek at silver. But hey, I only looked. That's all I did. Come on, NQ. Don't be so easily offended. But yeah, this doesn't look great. If this rolls over now, that's going to be crazy. Yeah, watch this rip higher now, and it just wanted to bounce off the VWAP, maybe. It could also just be a little bit of a fake bounce here and then rip and make new lows. I don't know. I'm not taking this. I'm not taking this. We got to make new highs for me to be convinced. Oh, yep, it's doing it. Right back. Dude, imagine we go lower now. Imagine we go lower now. Imagine this thing rips all the way back down. I mean, it could. It actually could. And since this market is crazy. I don't know, man. Honestly, usually this kind of trade does kind of trigger me. But as soon as it happened, I knew what was coming and I just accepted it. So it didn't bother me that much. I just kind of accepted my fate. Just accepted my fate. I mean, we really actually could just roll over here and continue lower. I mean, that's crazy though. This market is something else. No, Orlando. I'm sorry. Yeah. What do I use to copy trade? I use Replicanto. Man, this is starting to look like we're just going to now go back down. There's no way. No way this goes back down, right? I mean, I don't have anything now. I can't take a short. I can't take longs. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I am seriously considering not trading on tomorrow. I'm considering not trading tomorrow on my birthday. I feel like I trade worse on my birthday, and then it just kind of ruins the day and the vibes. Yeah, microplayer. Also, I have 3 of my friends from Ohio are coming down tomorrow. It would be tomorrow afternoon. And they're staying until Wednesday morning. So I will probably not be streaming on Monday. I think we're going to try to go play golf Monday morning if the weather, everything works out. Do you guys trade your birthday? You don't care about the vibes? Take you guys on an airplane ride tomorrow. Hey, maybe that would maybe be a good idea. All right, is it gonna go now, or are we gonna get above the VWAP, or are we gonna start making a new low again? Oh, wait. Alpine's been celebrating his birthday all week. Let's go. I love to see it. I love to see it. Yeah, I agree, M. Susan. There's no need to trade every day. I feel like I know it's gonna ruin kind of if I trade, I don't know why, but it feels almost like you press a little bit harder on your birthday just because you want to have a really good day. I don't know. It just I've noticed, and I remember last year and the year before, I basically, that's what happened. I had some bad days on my birthday in the past. Go all in and wake up filthy rich or broke. Rogan Houston. It's all or nothing. All or nothing. But right now, I'm kind of thinking. I'm thinking right now that we probably don't trade tomorrow, but we'll see. I'll YOLO my birthday card money. Yeah, David Knight. All right, market. Look at this. Look at this. It's doing the slow grind lower. That's crazy. That's 100 points lower now from the highs. This is price action I'm just not a big fan of. Not a big fan. It keeps kind of giving the bulls a little bit of hope, and then it's like hope and nope. Your birthday was last week, so that meant I spent my birthday with you guys. Hey, happy belated birthday, Dean Bishop. Rhythmic has been abysmal. Captain Crunch, oh really? So many dropout delays and late orders. I haven't used Rhythmic in a long time. Interesting. JS, the money you see that I made was from minis. That was from, those are evals. So the evals were green, but we're red on the funded, which is what matters. All right, we are just continuing lower down through the 500s now. If we lose the 500s, we could see a pretty quick drop. Wow, I will say, is this really just gonna go back down? That's crazy. This market is cray-cray. Do I look? I mean, do I take a short entry? Jeez. I don't know, man. Any idea if TradeAway fee will become available for Coin Tower? I don't know, Captain Crunch. I haven't heard. But they've never been friendly with TradeAway, so I don't know. Did your system tell you to take a short, user? Nope. No, it did not. We do not have any short setups yet. We would have to, I mean, we'd need to pull back all the way back into this EMA. But man, all the way down through the 480s now. Look at this crazy V shape back down. Wow. Wow. We are ripping lower down to the 460s now. I think we just go retest those lows down at the 400s, right? That's crazy. That is cray. V shapes, W shapes, upside down M shapes. That's right, Neo. That's right. It does seem like. Oh, gold. Oh, let's hang on. Let's don't tell NQ. We're just gonna take a peek, just a peek at silver. Oh my word! Look at this. Look at silver. Look at this insanity. Oh my. Oh, I can't look at it. I cannot look at that. That is not good for my health. I would be a multi-billionaire if I would have taken a couple trades on silver. Silver is insane. Silver is crazy. Ay, ay, ay. Quick, hurry, and go long. You know, if I would go long right here on silver, there is like 0% chance that this goes higher. You know, that would just immediately reverse and I'd be down 10,000 in the blink of an eye. We all know this to be true. Don't even argue with me. You bought silver at 22 and 23. That's awesome, TCM Trades. TCM Trades, when are you going to sell? Are you going to sell ever? Look at this. Unbelievable. And we should just buy when it touches the EMA. Just buy when it touches the 9 EMA on the daily chart on silver. It seems to be the way. Oh, I can't look at this. I'm not allowed to look at this. Don't look at it. I can tell you guys the future. I can already predict the future. I know it. I can see it in my mind already. I already know what's going to happen. I can tell. I can just tell. I can just tell, man. I'm going to try a trade again on my Top Step accounts, and that's how I'm going to lose these Top Step accounts. And I'm going to blame Design Knobs. Somehow I feel like he's at fault. But it's just crazy. It's crazy how much a micro tick is worth $5. That's what's crazy to me. Silver's going to 75. I mean, the thing is, silver, the spread on silver is actually not that bad. I mean, it's really liquid. Silver actually, I was shocked how liquid silver it was. Like, it really isn't that crazy of a spread. Just another reason to trade it, you know? All right, we might get a setup here short. Do we take it? Do we take this or not? Oh, I don't know. I don't know, boys. Do we take it? Man. Man, do I want to do it? I mean, I think we take this. Hope we might not even get triggered here, so might not be anything to worry about. You know what? I'm going to go 1 micro. All right, we wait. If we get triggered in here, we'll definitely take it. See what happens. Look at the 15-minute before I go short. I mean, I mean, it depends how this 15-minute candle closes, but yeah, doesn't look great. Feel like if this rips higher, I won't get triggered anyway, so hey, good morning, Pine Tree. How we doing? Crazy markets we've got today. Should have known it's going to get pretty crazy today with FOMC yesterday. Crazy sell-off last night. All right, moment of truth. Oh, wow. Okay, never mind. We are not getting an entry. Not getting an entrance. Hey, how was your day, Pine Tree? Man, I mean, I guess we could still get an entry here, but gosh, do I take? I don't know. Ugh. What is going on? I'm scared. What is going on? Is there news? I mean, that was ugly, ugly, ugly. That is unfortunate. That is unfortunate. Are we going to get wicked in again and then we're going to rip lower? Come on. Feel like there's some kind of news. Wow, let's go, Pine Tree. That's awesome. That is awesome. That is the dream. Maybe one day, Ukraine president, control over Ukraine may be put to vote. Oh dear, I don't like that. Do I just close this? Oh. Man. I hate when I'm forced to make a difficult decision. I'm going to close it. I don't like that news. I don't like that news, but I don't know. It might be fine. Just, there was news. That was a news event, so I could tell, like, that was some kind of news there. Watch it rip lower now. That's going to disgust me. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. But that's good news, right? I mean, that's kind of how I interpreted it. Ukraine President Zelensky, control over Ukraine, Donbas may be put to vote. That's got to be good news, right? If the war is about to if there's possibly peace, I mean, that's got to be good news, you would think. Hey, thank you, Captain. Thank you, Captain. Hey, don't like democracy. Only if native Ukrainians are allowed to vote. I see. Yeah, I guess war makes profit. I see. Yeah, that's a good point, John. All right, I'm glad I stopped out. I think we did the right thing. All right, well, man, maybe it's time to walk away for the day. This has definitely not been great. Not a terrible day, but definitely not a good day. Now we're just, I mean, I don't even see how I get a setup. I don't know. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Don't feel like we're trading we're just kind of trading right across the VWAP, up and down, up and down. I was hoping we could get a good setup, and does not look like it. Today's one of those, any momentum trader today, they love today's price action. Momentum traders today should have been very happy. I wish I had like a set strategy. I wish I had a really good strategy for trading momentum, but I've never had success trading momentum. I always feel like I wait too long and then I enter right as momentum is over. And that's the worst. $383 didn't get swept. I know, Pine Tree. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, I've thought for sure we were going to like at least take out the overnight lows. But we might still do that. We could still do that. All right, market, what's the plan? I need to look at lower time frame for entries with momentum. I see. People that trade momentum need momentum. You can also trade slower days. Yeah, but I think the key with you're a momentum trader, from what I've seen, is like momentum traders, what I have seen, maybe it's not this way for all of them, obviously, but I've noticed that a lot of momentum traders, they will like get in and take a lot of small losses. Like they'll take a lot of losses, just kind of waiting to see, but then they're not afraid to get back in. They're not afraid to like, hey, you know, getting back in and then catching the momentum. That's where I have a hard time. Like I can take 1-2 trades, and if I get stopped out twice, then I'm out. I'm like, that's it. I'm out. I'm not trading that again. And then it'll go without me. And that's what's, I don't know. I just feel like my mentality and the way I trade, I'm just not a good momentum trader. I'm just not. I would much rather have the slow, methodical price action. Like the slow, wavy price action is what I love, not the momentum kind of thing. And that's the beauty of the market and the beauty of trading. There are so many different ways you can trade and do so successfully. Yeah, FOMO the Momo. The Momo is tough. But I feel like price action has definitely been pretty crazy. Like we went a couple days ago, we had that slow, methodical price action. And now today we've got the violent price action. And it's just been a little bit all over the place. I mean, I'm really glad that I just took my loss right here, because I would be so frustrated right now. We would have literally gotten shot in the tick, and now it's pulling back again. So I'm happy that we didn't even take a trade, or that we cut it. You're a momentum trader, and the last few days have been infuriating. Yeah, I can imagine. Block the noise. I mean, I think that's kind of the problem. If you're a momentum trader and also like a pullback trader, is because you never know which day you're going to get. Like it's difficult to really know. You know, some days it looks like, hey, we're going to have a momentum day. So you take momentum setups, but then it turns into a slow grind day, and then vice versa. So it's just hard. I feel like today was pretty easy to tell, though, that this was going to be a momentum kind of day. I always struggle. I don't do well on these kind of days. I seldom do well. Have you ever studied how craps are played, placing bets, not how you play, but how the bets are wagered? Very similar to trading. Oh, on dice? I have not, Bob. No, I have not. I'm not familiar with. No. Yeah, you just K trader. It's just more ways to lose. I agree. I prefer to have one strategy because it keeps things simple. That way I know what I'm looking for, and I don't have to like try to decide, okay, is it going to be a momentum day? Do I take this kind of setup, or do I take this kind of setup? I prefer just to have one setup. That way, I don't know, I feel like it's not as confusing for me. At least right now. Maybe in the future, maybe once I get a little more experience, maybe I'll add more setups to my arsenal, but right now, keep it simple. It depends on what works for you, looking at your performance and what. Yeah, exactly, Leah. And that's kind of what I mean. I know what suits and I know what works best for me, and I'm gonna keep doing that. Oh, I hate seeing red on my charts. Oh, hate it. I just want to close everything. Hey, thanks for the sub, Mr. Points. I appreciate it. Thank you. No, the TDF accounts are not passed yet. I wish they were passed. I wish. Here's my third try at passing the select accounts. I'm kind of over it. Did you, K Trader? You changed it to blue? That is I've done it too. Top Step changed some payout rules. I don't know. Z, what do you mean they changed payout rules? Talk to me. What are you talking about? What? No more 10K. Say again? Zio, I'm not sure what you mean. Yes, Sony. I'm just taking it slow on these accounts. At least I'm trying to. And then I know it's going to take a while to get to that first payout, but then after that, I'm hoping the ball will start rolling and will really start adding up. Oh, look at silver? Oh, dear. I don't want to look at silver, do I? Oh, yeah. I've already seen this. Oh, no. Silver's giving me a setup. Oh, don't look at it, Nutty. Don't do it. Don't do it. Trying to find information. I'm not sure what you mean. I'm not sure 19K. All I know, they changed some payout rules. Oh, are you talking about like a couple weeks ago? A couple weeks ago, yes. Basically, you have to have profits in order to request again. So basically, if you have like $1,000 red day, and then you have $550 green days, you still couldn't take a payout. You need to get your account balance back above the previous request. So that was the change. Did our price stall? What? We're stalled. I haven't. What is going on? What? is going on here, folks? Let's disconnect some things here. Something wrong. Something is wrong here. What is going on? Hello? Hello? Huh. What is going on? I can't seem to connect. Hang on, I might have to restart Ninja Trader. I might have to restart Ninja. Give me a second. Sorry, you're gonna have to look at me full screen. What is going on, boys? When in doubt, restart. And let me look. Is everything back? What is going? Am I? Yeah. What? I don't know what's going on here. This thing is acting very weird. Very temperamental here. Okay, are we? Hey, we're back. We're back. Okay, here we go. We're back. I don't know what was going on. Okay, market. I mean, that short would have worked out, but we would have gotten stopped out if I wouldn't have closed it. So would have actually really would have triggered me because I would have gotten literally shot in the tick. Thank you. Which firm had the new rules? Topstead. That was a couple of weeks ago. Do pretty well if they know how to place their bets on the odds correctly, predicting the pattern breakout. Yeah, Bob. Yeah, I mean, I understand. Yeah, it makes sense. Well, I'm trying to debate if I am actually even going to take another setup. I'm right on that fringe. If you take another setup, then I could turn into a really bad day. And we all know how that goes. We all know how that goes. The old, oh, just one more trade. uh all right, you know what would be a good time? Let's do a giveaway. Let's do a giveaway. Take Profit Trader giveaway. 50K. Take Profit Trader giveaway. Exclamation mark NBT. Let's do it. Hey, I love it. The @ symbol works now. You guys should be able to tell if you got entered in the for the duck race now. It's so much easier to tell. Man, this market, this market is starting to look like we're gonna just. I would be surprised if we don't take out the lows. If we don't take out those overnight lows at some point, the way this is starting to play out. But you never know. Oh, wow, that's a good. I mean, I don't know. Maybe this is going to go higher. I have no idea what this market's going to do. No idea. Now, maybe we. Looks like we want to go back up. Exclamation mark NBT, lowercase NBT, NBT, all lowercase. Wow, look at that rejection. Just whoop, right back down. Yeah, I don't know what to expect here, but kind of expected to keep going lower. All right, market. Man, I could have taken a setup there probably, but I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to be done. I'm going to be done trading for the day. I have officially locking myself out just so I don't be an idiot. Because it's always, in the afternoon, it's always tempting. It's always tempting to just take that one more trade to try to get, when you try to go from green to red, you're like, oh, if I take this setup, I could take a red day and turn it into a green day. Oh, I could be a hero. That's always what I think. And every time I think that, I enter the trade, and not until I enter the trade do I start to realize that the flip side of this is I could also turn a small red day into a big red day. And then 30 minutes later, all of a sudden, you would just do anything to go back to a small red day. We've all been there. We've all been there, done that. It's not exactly a good time. What? And here we go. We are definitely, seems like we're going lower. All right, guys, 2 minutes left to enter the giveaway. Exclamation mark NBT. You got 2 minutes. Design, don't you start. Okay, fine. I'll look at silver. I just want to look at it, though. Look, but don't touch. We're on a strict only look, but don't touch policy with silver currently. I don't know how much longer I can actually just not trade silver. I am, you know what I actually should do? You know what I need to do? I need to go in on my risk settings on Top Step and lock myself out from trading silver. I actually should do that. If I don't, remember this quote and just go back to this saying, I will regret it. One day I will regret not doing that. I definitely will. We will have regrets. Man, this market is, I'm glad to be walking away. I'm happy to be walking away. It's definitely, it's turning into one of them days. Okay. The giveaway is, you can, it's officially, that's all, that's it. Let's do the duck race, fellas. Or actually, we need to pick the names first. Give me a minute. All right, everybody. Good luck. Good luck, everybody, on the duck race. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. All right, here we go. First name to be entered in the duck race will be Dove. Let's go, Dove Gordon. Dove Gordon is in the duck race. Love to see it. Here we go. Next name, Carl Torres Boss. Carl Torres Boss. Congratulations. Good luck. Next name, ESNQ Trader. Good luck to you, sir. Next name, hey, let's go. Golf Guy Mike. Golf Guy Mike is in the race. All right, let's go. Next name, Ken Robinson. Ken Robinson. Good luck to you. All right, here we go. Next name, Super Trader 09. Good luck, Super Trader 09. Next name, hey, K Trader K. Got a lot of familiar names in here. Lots of familiar names. All right, here we go. Next one. Hey, let's go. Kind Bar Trading. I love it. I love it. 6-7. Kind Bar Trading 6-7. Oh, you gotta love it. Next name, Nathan White 99. Nathan White 99. Good luck. Next name, Scott Baccarisi. Scott, I guess Scott. We're gonna call you Scott. All right, here we go. Taking away 5 names. Don't worry, you're still in the duck race. I love it. Okay, next name is Suman Wonder. Samantha Wonder or Samantha Wonder? I don't know. Good luck in the duck race. Sorry I butchered your name. Next name, Glacier Gains. Let's go, Glacier Gains. Man, we got a lot of familiar names in here. Let's go. All right, next name, Thomas S19. Thomas S19. And the next name is Pan-Americana D5N. Pan-Americana. Good luck. All right, here we go. This is the final name. This is the final name. Let's go, Glacier Gains. Hey, look at that. Sue Trades. Sue Trades, the final name in the duck race. All right. I like it. I like it. All right, here we go. Are we ready for the duck race? There you can see we've got all the names. And now we do 2 minutes. Here we go. All right, now according to the regulations, we do need to shuffle the characters 1 time. All right, there you go. Characters have been shuffled. Are you ready? Here we go. And they are off. Here we go. And the duck race is underway. We've got Glacier Gains in the fan favorite red duck. And we've got Golf Guy Mike in the purple duck at the bottom of your screen. They're going neck and neck with Dove Gordon. Dove Gordon, Glacier Gains, neck and neck, trying to take the lead, the early lead Then we have Sue Trades. Scott now trying to make a move into first place. Here we go. This seems like a very fast-paced duck race. Now Nathan White takes the lead. We've got ESNQ Trader contesting for the lead as well. Kind Bar Trading now. Kind Bar Trading now making a move. He's in close second place. ESNQ Trader has the lead. Here comes K Trader. We've got K Trader, Glacier Gains, Golf Guy Mike, lots of fan favorites, and Dove Gordon. Here we go. Right now, we've got Kind Bar Trading taking the lead with 45 seconds to go. Nathan White, the pink duck, now trying to contest. Here comes Glacier Gains. Does he have enough stamina? And Golf Guy Mike is holding in the middle of the pack, reserving his energy. Glacier Gains now falling back. Here comes Toma. Toma S19 making a push into the lead. He's got a lot of speed. And there it goes. Nathan White, Suman Wonder, and Kind Bar Trading. Who's it going to be? 10 seconds to go. Right now, it's now or never. Nathan White in the lead. K Trader is making a push. K Trader, Sue Trades. K Trader, and K Trader takes home the win. Let's go, K Trader. Nice push. That was a great push at the end. That was a great push at the end. K Trader played it perfectly. He waited, and he saw a chance, and he took it. What a speed. That was some speed. All right, very nicely done, K Trader. Now give me just a moment. We need to verify and third-party audit the results before we officially announce these results. Top 3 traders, or top 3 racers, duck races, get a 50K Take Profit Trader account. All right, here we go. And the results are in. And there you go. We've got, oh no, Golf Guy Mike just didn't quite have enough. Kind Bar Trading in 9th. Dove Gordon in 12th. And unfortunately, Glacier Gains brought up the rear. You hate to see it. But coming in 3rd place is Toma S19. And then coming in 2nd place is Nathan White 99. Very nicely done. Congratulations, everybody. And let me put in the chat what you need to do to claim to get the duck race, or to get your target, your take profit. Oh no, my battery died. Oh, that's unfortunate. Well, I guess it's okay. I'm all right. Give me a minute. Okay, I'm going to put in the chat. All right. Okay. 1st, 2nd, and 3rd place. I need you to send me an email. Listen closely. 1st, 2nd, and 3rd place. Yeah, Sue Trades, you missed it by a hair. I'm sorry, man. Oh, yeah, hate to see it. Congratulations. Okay, we have 1st, 2nd, and 3rd place. Please send me an email. And to nuttybar1983@gmail.com. Include a screenshot of your YouTube channel, and then make sure you include your email for your Take Profit Trader account. And then I will get those accounts. Usually by tomorrow, you will have those accounts as a credit. When you go to buy a 50K account, you should see a credit that you can use to pay for. So, wow, look at this market. We're right back up. Wow, 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 wow. I'm actually happy I'm done trading. I'm totally okay with being done trading for the day. I'm gonna go. I think I'm gonna go play a round of golf. I think I'm gonna go play some golf, so I'm not tempted to trade. Okay. Man, look at this market. Man, that is just insane how this market is moving today. Don't get trapped in these moves. That's my email is it's right above you, Nathan White. It's right above you. nuttybar1983@gmail.com. That's it. All right, everybody. I'm gonna head out. I will be taking the day off tomorrow and on Monday. So we'll be back on Tuesday. But tomorrow and Monday, I'm gonna take the day off. And a happy extended birthday, I guess. Gonna be playing lots of golf. And thank you, everybody. Thank you for the birthday wishes. I do appreciate it. Thank you, everyone, for your support. Thanks for being here. Thanks for using my code. Just a reminder, Apex is still 90% off. Thank you, everyone, for the support. I do appreciate it. And yes, take care, everybody, and God bless.